Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Hey guys, whoa. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I achieved this hairstyle. Right now I got my bangs on the side, but this hairstyle that y'all were super interested in me doing a tutorial on. So if y'all are interested in this video, please keep on watching.
It's Slim Reshae, natural beauty. It's Slim Reshae, all about natural beauty. Yeah, Slim Reshae.
So right now I have, it's about a week old twist out that I did. So you can kind of see that there are some curls, a little bit of definition on the ends. And the way that this look is gonna come out looking bomb is if you have, you know, some curls still on the ends. So doing this on an old wash and go, twist out, braid out. You probably even could do it on like a flexi rod or perm rod set, but having like this thickness at the roots and frizz, but on the ends you still have some curls, that's gonna give you the best results. So the first thing I like to do is section off my bangs. And for me, I just do this front area. I don't use a comb or anything. It doesn't have to be like a straight part, but I'm gonna do like this. And this is gonna serve as my bangs. So I'm gonna pull this hair back and we just gonna work on the bangs to start off. So right now they're like dry and stuff. So if you have a spray bottle, you wanna go ahead and spritz the hair, add a little bit of moisture back into the hair. So once we have that in, I'm gonna take, you can really use any leave-in conditioner, but I'm just gonna showcase the curls one since this is what I used most recently. And this is the Blueberry Bliss Reparative Leave-In Conditioner from Curls. So again, you can use any leave-in conditioner, but I'm just gonna use this one from Curls, which it smells really good. And it's a bomb leave-in conditioner. And I'm just gonna go like this and run that product through my hair. Now I like to detangle my hair and I use a shampoo brush to do so. So I'm just gonna detangle. Literally, it does not take long to do this hairstyle at all. So once you have your leave-in conditioner in, I'm gonna take an oil just to kind of lock in that moisture and add some shine. And I'm using the Blueberry Bliss Hair Growth Oil. This is also from Curls. And I'm just gonna put some of this on my hair. And that's gonna seal in all that moisture as well as add a little bit of shine. So as you can see, my curls look nice and hydrated. And then I'm just gonna run through with my detangler brush, my shampoo brush one more time. There we go. And then last but not least, for the bangs, we are gonna use the Curls Be in Control Curl Sculpting Gel. And this is like a super strong hold that can be used for like wash and goes. So we're gonna use this gel on our bangs. You don't have to do a crazy amount, but I just like to squeeze out like about that much. And then I'm just gonna rake this all on my hair. And I'm like raking it through with my fingers. And then we're gonna finger coil the bangs. So this is gonna make sure your like curls are popping. So I'm just finger coiling this whole bang section. If you have heat damage in the bang area, you can use like a small perm rod, like the gray perm rods, and like rod the front of your hair if your curls don't curl as much, or if you have like heat damage or something. So for some reason this side don't be shrinking quick, but I promise they are all like the same length. this side just bounces back quicker. So we're gonna let that kind of do its shrinkage thing, and we're gonna work on the top portion of the hair. So just moving that loose ponytail up to the top of my head, I am going to do the same thing we did with the bangs. So I'm gonna take a leave-in conditioner first and my spray bottle to just moisten, like moisten to like add some moisture to the base of the hair. I'm almost out of water in this thing. After you add your water, you're just gonna take some more of your leave-in conditioner, and we are gonna rub that in. And when I rub it in, I like to take a hard bristle brush and just start brushing my hair into the direction of the bun. And you could do this with a low bun, top knot, whatever, but we're just doing the one that was in the thumbnail, which is my top knot and curly bangs. So once we have that brushed in, we're gonna take our hair growth oil again to add some sheen to the base of the hair. And we're just gonna rub that in all around. And then last but not least is the gel. Again, you can use any gel, but I'm gonna be using the BN Control Curl Sculpting Gel from Curls. And this is from their Ultimate Styling collection. So they have different ones that have like different levels of hold based on the style that you're doing. So I'm just gonna take some of that and put it around the base. And this is gonna help us sleek the bun. So at this point, you can take that hair tie off and just hold your hair and start brushing it up into the bun. And you wanna make sure that it is smooth. So once you get it pretty smooth on all sides, you wanna take your hair bow and just put it in a top ponytail. And you don't want to do this too tight where it's like making you scream or you get like a headache, but you want it tight enough where your hair stays like slicked down. So that's going to be tight enough for me. My hair is slicked all over. For the bun portion, if you have longer hair, you might need to do like the double pineapple method, where you put another hairband like midway up your ponytail. So like putting a hairband right here and then flipping your hair over and rubber banding it at the base. That's a way that you can kind of get your hair to stand up if you have longer hair. If your hair is like mine, then what I typically do, I just like pull it up a little bit and then I just gather it together. So the first thing I do, I gather it at the base and I take a hair tie and just put it over twice. And that's at like the base of my hair down here. Then the second one I like to do to make my bun stand up straight, I'll take another hair tie and I'll grip it like in the middle. And then I'll put another hair tie, and I usually wrap it twice. It honestly depends on how tall you want your bun to go. So if you want it to go super tall, you could do it 3 times. And then you just kind of fluff it as desired. And the more like curls you have still like hanging out on the ends of your old twist out or wash and go, that's what's gonna make it look more curly like the picture in the thumbnail. So the picture in the thumbnail I actually did on a fresh wash and go, so that's why my bun looks super curly, but that's how you get the tall bun. And then your bangs are here. And then once your bangs start shrinking, if you have longer hair, you could put a bobby pin at the front of your hair like that, and that's gonna lift your bangs higher off of from being on top of your like eyes. It's gonna lift it up a little bit. And that's how you're gonna get your bang look. You can separate these more as they dry. So you can have like a fuller bang look. It's completely up to you. So you can separate your curls more. So from here, it's still like looking, it's cute, but she not popping like we was popping in the thumbnail. So what took it to the next level is you can use like scrunchies, which are trending now or back trending, and I used I have a whole bunch of cute ones. I have some with pearls, I have like leather ones. I'm gonna use this leather one today, which I got these from TJ Maxx. And all you're gonna do is like try not to disturb the bun and just put the scrunchie at the base of your bun like that. So you're gonna put the scrunchie at the base of the bun, and that's not doing, it's not securing anything, it's just there for cuteness. And then to add a little extra vibe boom, I added some of these decorative hair clips from my local beauty supply store. So I'm just gonna clip these in, and for me, I clip them in on the side like that, and I did it on both sides. And so this is pretty much what it looked like. In the thumbnail, I think I had a white scrunchie on, but that's how it looks. And then you just spread your longer bang pieces on the side. If you want to like go the extra mile, if your hair is like super long, you can put like another clip like at the top like that. I like it with just the two, so I'm gonna leave it like this. And as my hair dries, it's gonna dry and shrink. If you think it looks a little too like puffy right here from where you put the bobby pin underneath, you can go back in and put a bobby pin on top of the hair. I mean, it is gonna show just a little bit, but you could just put it on there to flatten it and then take it out once it dries. And then last but not least, we need to do these baby hairs. The baby hairs aren't like the focus or the star of the show because the bangs are front and center, but you always want to make sure you know you got a little razzle dazzle going on your edges. So I'm going to use the Curls Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Paste, and I'm honestly just using like what's in front of me. Like I said, I just did the live with curls the other day or 2 days ago, and I just wanted to go ahead and make this video for you guys because y'all asked for the tutorial, so y'all could come back and watch and try it along. So that's what we're doing, and I'm just swooping my baby hair, and I'm not doing like too much, but we're just doing some baby swoops. So we got 2 on this side, we're gonna do 2 on this side. So once you lay your edges, you obviously can lay it down with a scarf, which will also help flatten out the top right here. But y'all, this is the look. This is the look. All I did was add my little cute shades, and you know, that's pretty much the finished look. So you could split it if you want a little split bang situation, if you want a little side, oh, that's cute. If you want a little side bang situation, you also could do this if you wanted to swoop the hair. I ain't did a little swoop, I should do a swoop. I'm gonna do a swoop, y'all. Oh, can't tell me nothing. Can't tell me nothing. But anyway, that's how you do it. I'm liking this little side dealio. But that's how you do, this is cute. I ain't never swooped nothing on my forehead since I've been in like middle school. But anyway, I'm gonna leave it on the side for now. But y'all saw how it looked with the middle bang. But yeah, so that's all for this video. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this little short tutorial. It's super easy. If y'all are interested in more like styling your natural hair, like let me know. I'll try to come up with some new stuff. Literally, I came up with this on a whim. I was just like playing around because I needed to style my hair for a photo shoot, and y'all really liked it. So if y'all are interested in more, you know, natural hair styles like this that allow you to like switch up your hair, especially when it's hot, like now, and you don't want your hair like all up on your neck and stuff, I got you covered. So if you've watched this far and you are not subscribed, what are you doing, bro? What are you doing, sis? Go ahead and subscribe down below. Join the gym squad. That basically means you're joining a community of people committed to loving themselves authentically and living a positive life. So go ahead and subscribe down below. While you're down there, you might as well like this video. Give it a huge thumbs up because it helps me out a lot, and turn on that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload. And without further ado, y'all never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you to the full. Bye guys.